Welcome to Metabolic Motivation channel. To get more fitness solution videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next. Here are 5 weight loss buzz, based on science. There are lots of methods out there to lose weight. There's 5 easy ways which you can apply starting from now. 1. Ensure to eat a high-protein meal, breakfast. High-protein meals may stop cravings and calorie intake throughout the day. 2. Drink plain water before every meal. A study revealed that drinking water half hour before meals increased weight loss by 44% over 3 months. 3. Weigh yourself every morning. Studies reveal that people who weigh themselves every morning are much more likely to lose weight and keep it off for a long haul. 4. Get high-quality sleep. Sleep is the main reason for weight gain. Poor sleep is one of the biggest factors. 5. Having a strong mindset. Being consistent is key, not only sticking in terms of dieting, but to all aspects of life. Results does not show overnight. The key is consistency. Good luck on your weight loss journey. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think.